about it. It's gorgeous.
So, this was such a long journey. I entered this pageant in October.
Yeah.
This was the first Mrs. pageant that I entered, and I was very intentional about it because I feel like in so many spaces, especially in the African continent, once you get married, a woman's voice is taken somehow. It's either forcefully taken from you. Actual pageant is called Mrs. Universe Africa, and I came out first runner-up, and that then qualifies me into representing the African continent at Mrs. Grand International.
Like Africa, we're talking Kenya. You are representing.
Yes, I now. Yes,
we are talking. Each and every
Tanzania, your Zambias, your Zimbabwe's, yes.
It's amazing. I am so proud of you. And in moments like these, when we have interviews like this, how does it feel? Oh my God, I'm this. I actually I've done that and I've done this. For you, every time we speak of these titles that you have achieved, how does it make you feel? Like, just be honest. How does it make you feel?
I'm actually asked this question a lot. I don't know. I'm so numb. Yeah, I'm so numb to it. It's just the times when something that I have achieved is being used to inspire somebody else, or somebody's sharing a story that I went, because I will engage with a lot of young people in events and all sorts of initiatives. And it's when, say, a young person comes up to me and then they're like, I went for this because I saw you go for this. Only then I will feel extremely proud. But otherwise, in general, I'm just like very numb.
Okay. First words, you do not even breathe. You say, like, immediately after I say it.
Okay.
First word is color.
Pink.
Praise.
Sorry?
Praise.
Worship.
Queen.
Bona Matiba.
Lesotho.
Mountains.
Mental.
Health.
App.
Instagram.
Or young.
Sorry?
Young.
Sister.
Number.
12.
Why number 12?
I just have a thing. I win when I'm 12 is like my winning number.
Okay, and that is the end of the game.